Welcome back to our YouTube channel Aman Code. In today's episode, we are going to enter into a new chapter that is functions. So we have completed first chapter called data types and second chapter called operators and expressions and third chapter is going flow control statements and we are entering into this new chapter that is functions. So in this chapter we are going to discuss what is function, how we can declare and all. So before going to functions concept, we want to discuss types of languages that we have. So types of languages. So in industry, not only in Python, we are comparing in the industry. In industry, we have two types of programming languages, which is unstructured programming language. Another is structured programming language. So these are the two programming language which we have in industries. So industries in the sense software industries. Let's see what is unstructured programming languages. So see here, unstructured programming languages are does not contains function concepts. So any programming language which is unstructured, then that programming language does not contains the concepts of functions. So that whose related applications has following limitations. See here, unstructured programming languages does not contains functions and it has some limitations. Application development time is more. For example, so he is software engineer 1, he is software engineer 2. So software engineer 1 is going to write add of two numbers program. So SE1 want to develop and program in order to add two numbers and SE2 also do the same. So SE1 developed, right? So he was not using the developed program. SE2 is going to create his own program in order to add two numbers. So here the time is going to be more, right? So SE1 is going to develop program, SE2 also going to develop program. Here application development time is going to be takes more, right? So see here application memory space is going to be more. So here for SE1 it takes some memory space. Here SE2 also say takes some memory space. So here totally memory space is going to be more. So application execution time is going to be more. Yes, obviously the execution time is going to be more. So application performance is degraded. So application performance is going to be decreased. So redundancy, duplication or replication of code is more. So here SE1 wrote add of two numbers, same program. Here SE2 wrote add of two numbers, same program. So the data is replicated right here and here. In the sense, same data is present in SE1 and in SE2. So these are the five limitations in unstructured programming language. So example for unstructured programming language is GW Basic. This is an older programming language which is unstructured programming language, that is GW Basic. So in order to overcome this type of limitations, we are going with structured programming languages. So let's see what are the structured programming languages. So the structured programming languages contains function concept. See, whichever language is known as structured programming language, then that language must and should contains functions concept. So whose related applications are going to be contains following advantages. See here, application development time is going to be less. See, previously SE1 and SE2 is going to create the same program in both the devices, right? So here SE1 created addition of two numbers, then this program is going to be used by SE2. That is the reason application development time is going to be less, right? So next, application memory space is going to be less. Yes, in SE1 only memory space is allocating. SE2 is using, right? So that is the reason memory space is less. Next, application execution time is also less. Performance is going to be enhanced. Enhanced in the sense improved. Redundancy, duplication or a replication of a code is going to be minimized. So here one time code is created, here not duplicated, right? Here they use the code which are written by SE1, right? So these are the five advantages by structured programming languages. Unstructured programming language does not contain function concept. Structured programming language contains a function concept. What is functions? By using functions concept, we can reuse the code. So it provides code reusability. Which provides code reusability? Functions concept is going to provide code reusability in order to perform some sort of operations. So this is about functions. So the structured programming languages examples is going to be C, C++, Java, C Sharp.NET, and Python, etc. So these are the languages which are structured programming languages. For these languages, we have a concept called functions. Why we are using the functions? In order to perform some sort of operations, and it provides code reusability. So these two reasons make sense that we are using the function. So this is all about structured and unstructured programming languages. In upcoming episodes, we are going to discuss about functions concept. That's all for today's episode. I hope you all understand. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Aman Codes. Thank you so much for watching.